The Shirley cabinet will arrive in 2 boxes ready for assembly. Begin by opening each box to check that all contents are present. You'll find the assembly manual and hardware parts in box 1. To make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Inventory the hardware parts to check all parts are present. Attach 4 T1 plate castors for panel G using S1 screws. Make sure the castors are locked and flip panel G over. Attach 6 C1 cam bolts to panel G as shown. Set panel G aside. Insert 4 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel X. Use a mallet to tap the pins in as far as they'll go. Insert 4 D1 dowels in the edges of panel Z. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel X. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel Z. Insert 2 D1 dowel pins into each panel O. Attach panel O to panel Z as shown by inserting the cam bolts into the cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Repeat with the other O panel. Make sure the dowel pins are facing out when attaching the panels. Attach panel X to each O panel. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Assembly is shown upside down. Attach panel G to panel C, O and X, tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Flip the cabinet onto its wheels. Slide panel D into the grooves on panels X, Z and G as shown. Attach 6 C1 cam bolts to panel A1/A2. Carefully lower panels A1/A2 onto panel X, Z and O as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. P brackets are optional. They work to help stabilize the back panel of your cabinet. If you choose not to use them, your cabinet will still function as it should. Measure approximately 8 inches from the top and bottom of the cabinet. Slide P brackets into the seams between panel X and D and between panel Z and D, secure with S1 screws. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to each panel K. Attach panel K2 to panel K, tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach panel K3 to panel K, tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Repeat with the remaining 3 drawers. Slide panel K4 into the grooves on panels K, K2 and K3 as shown. Repeat with the remaining 3 drawers. To reach the pre-drilled screw holes on the sides of each panel K2 and K3, you will need to tilt the drawer runners. Remove the front and back screws on the drawer runners, leaving the middle screw installed. Pivot the drawer runners to access the screw holes as shown. Attach panel K1 to panel K2 and K3 using S3 screws. Repeat with the remaining 3 drawers. Pivot the drawer runners back into place and reinstall the front and back screws. Repeat on the remaining 3 drawers. Fully extend the cabinet rails, align drawer rails and slide the drawers into the cabinet. Be sure that the silver ball bearing pieces are positioned all the way to the front of the rails. Continue until all drawers are installed. Tip: gently open and close the drawers a few times to engage the soft close mechanism. For detailed video instructions on how to install and adjust your soft close drawers, check out this video. Attach 2 H2 hinges to panel Y using S2 screws. Attach the T2 caster with the bolt and nut, tighten with enclosed wrench. Attach panel Y to panel Z as shown using S2 screws. Insert the 6x30 dowel pins into each thread spool panel 01. You can arrange the pegs as you'd like and use glue to secure the dowels, but it is not required. You can use a mallet to tap the pins in. Assembly complete. Happy sewing!